Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Life in Arizona. Today we are going to continue our model home tour of the new builds out in Blossom Rock in Apache Junction. And today we're going to focus on Lennar Home Builders. Lennar has been building new homes in the greater Phoenix Valley for a very long time, and out at Blossom Rock, they have about 4 different model homes that we're going to look at, and they have multiple different styles, sizes to those homes. All of them are 1-story. Lennar out at Blossom Rock is only building 1-story homes. But again, we're going to take a look at all 4 of the model homes that they have, talk about some of the different features that they provide and the price points. So buckle up, let's take a look. All right, so now we're going to look at Trillium, and that is the first model that we are going to be checking out at Lennar, or by Lennar, out in Blossom Rock. Trillium is just over 2,600 square feet. It is a 4-bed, 3-bath property, and it has a 3-car garage. And as I mentioned before, all of Lennar's models out at Blossom Rock are 1-story. This one showcases their signature next generation suite, which allows for that multi-generational living or, even some potential rental income. The suite does include a 1-car garage, the separate entrance, the living space, kitchenette, bedroom, and bathroom. The base price for Trillium is just over $611,000. So this is the next gen suite, and just came in, the connection between the main house and the next gen. And this is your living space, your kitchen in here, and then we'll move back into the bathroom and then the bedroom. Okay, now we're going to look at Juniper as our next model for Lennar out in Blossom Rock. Juniper is just under 2,500 square feet, and it is a 4-bed, 2.5-bath home. Obviously, like I said, 1-story, and this one does have a 3-car garage. The Juniper does not have the next gen suite with it, but it does have a den, which is ideal for anyone who might need a home office. That's the den right there. So not a bad amount of space. This model does have that split floor plan where the primary suite is separate or on the other side of the house than the other bedrooms. All those other bedrooms, the 4 bedrooms, are all there together. I said this model is a 3-car garage, and that is with a tandem bay. So from the outside, it just looks like a 2-car garage, but one of those spots is a tandem. And the Juniper base price is just under $580,000. next model that we're going to look at is the Revolution. And similar to the other ones, this is a 4-bed, 3-bath property. And this one does have the next gen suite option to it. So the Revolution is just over 2,500 square feet, 4-bed, 3-bath, and a 2-car garage. And just like all the others, only 1 story. Right there to the right is the next gen suite. So we'll come back and look at that. This one, I would say, still has that split floor plan where the primary suite is separate from the other bedrooms, but it does have the next gen bedroom is fairly close, even though it has, all of those separate entrances and is as a separate living space. And that next gen suite, the bedroom and the bathroom, the square footage are all included in the overall square footage of the 4th bedroom and the 3-bath. All right, so now we're going to go into the next gen suite. All of their next gen suites do include laundry. So even that piece of it is not part of the overall house, that anyone in the next gen suite does have their own laundry. So now we are going to check out the 4th and final model that is out at Blossom Rock for Lennar Builders. And it's the Sage. And it's a 4-bedroom and a 3-bath property. And it is just over 2,200 square feet. This one, obviously by the size of it compared to the others, does not include that next gen suite. So we only have 2 models that include that next gen suite, which is Trillium and then the Revolution. So this is Sage, and this property starts about $535,000 as the base price to it. This one is a little bit different because while we're walking into the great room and the dining and kitchen, which is all open together, when we first walked in and we saw the ping pong table, that is another living room space. So that is separate from the great room. So all of their primary bedrooms do not include a tub. If you're looking for a bathroom that has a tub in it as part of the primary suite, these do not have that. None of the Lennar models, I should say, have that. But you do have tubs in the other bathrooms, especially with the Sage. You do have a bathtub in the 2nd and 3rd bathroom. All right, I hope you enjoyed having a chance to get in and look at the flow and the floor plans of the different model homes that Lennar has out at Blossom Rock in Apache Junction. They have about 8 different floor plans available. Like I said, we only had the 4 models to look at, but about 8 different floor plans. As I mentioned before, Lennar is only doing 1-story properties out at Blossom Rock. And so if you're looking for a 2-story, we might want to look at a different floor plan or a different model builder that's out there, because Lennar is not going to have that for you. But they have some great homes. I hope you enjoyed looking at this. And again, as always, if you have questions about any of the models, any of the builders out at Blossom Rock, or any if you're looking for, say, a new home builder, maybe you don't want to be in Apache Junction at Blossom Rock. Maybe you want to be in the West Valley. Maybe you want to go down to Maricopa. Maybe you want to go up to Surprise, wherever it might be. Let me know. I'm happy to help you. I do quite a bit with the different builders in the community in the greater Phoenix Valley. And we have a lot of new development, a lot of new communities, what we call master planned communities, which is what Blossom Rock is considered. We call it a master planned community. And so I'm happy to answer any questions that you have or get you any information, or certainly, and of course, help to arrange a time for you and I to go out and visit one of those new home builders and to see, what kind of models or what kind of builder that it is that you want to work with. Say you want to be in a master plan community like Blossom Rock, but you don't want to be out in Apache Junction. Well, there's a couple master plan communities in the greater Phoenix Valley that could be a great possibility for you if that's what you're looking for. And of course, the 55 plus communities, we have plenty of them. We have quite a few that also are new builds. And as you've seen, I have a video about 55 plus communities in the East Valley. And I'm going to be doing a video shortly on the 55 plus communities that are out in the West Valley. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next video.